When it's time to switch manufacturers, what comes next? Most manufacturers want to do great work, but sometimes communication breaks down, timelines slip, or batch consistency becomes an issue. At some point, switching to a new CMO becomes the right move. We've guided many brands through this transition, and today I'm going to show you how to switch manufacturers without disrupting the customer experience. I'm Matt from HydroScience. If you're worried about scale-up issues, contact us today. I got your back. Number 1, know the signs, it's time to switch. A shift may be necessary when communication declines, production timelines stretch out without explanation, batches become inconsistent, or testing results repeatedly fail. These issues can harm your brand's reputation, slow your momentum, and erode customer trust. You don't want that, do you? Number 2, switching is delicate and must be managed carefully. Transferring your product from one manufacturer to another isn't as simple as sending over a formula. It's a sensitive process that involves documentation, sourcing, ingredient expectations, and process alignment. We coordinate this entire transition so your product moves safely and efficiently into a new manufacturing environment. Number 3, we design formulas for any CMO, but transfers need oversight. Even though we design the formulas that run well at multiple facilities, a transfer still requires proper onboarding and technical guidance. We prepare all the documentation, clarify sourcing needs, outline component expectations, and ensure your new CMO understands exactly how the product should run. This prevents inconsistencies in production from day one. Number 4, protect your claims and brand during the transition. Switching manufacturers should never affect your product's identity. We make sure ingredient forms remain consistent, serving sizes stay accurate, clean label commitments remain intact, and your overall customer experience is protected. The goal is for your customers to never notice the switch. Number 5, a smart transition can actually make your brand strong. When performed correctly, a manufacturer transition becomes an upgrade, not a setback. You gain better communication, improved timelines, and a partner who truly supports your brand's next phase of growth. We realize switching manufacturers is a big decision. If you work with a partner like us that has experience, we make that transition seamless. I'm Matt from HydroScience. If you're worried about scale-up issues, contact us today. I got your back.